So my people, let's talk because recently Nigeria's First Lady, Senator Remi Tinubu, came out with an unusual appeal. I call it unusual because it's unusual, alright? She's asking Nigerians to contribute birthday money towards the construction of a national library. Now, personally, I find this a bit funny. I mean, come on, her husband is the president of Nigeria and their son, Sheyi Tinubu, is not exactly broke. These are people who can single-handedly fund such a project without blinking, within the twinkle of an eye. But instead, Nigerians are being asked to do what? Donate. It almost feels like the same way some ladies put up their account details a few days to their birthday on WhatsApp, waiting for credit alerts. Very, very funny, but also a bit worrying because, like I said, this is something that can be done within the twinkle of an eye. And I trust my Nigerians, my fellow Nigerians, they'll continue to contribute. You'll see people that don't have contributing to the construction of the said National Library. Anyway, I need you all to listen to this yourselves.
Special grace of God, I will be turning 65 years old on the 21st September 2025. And this happens to be a Sunday. This is why I have decided to dedicate the day to God for all His blessings in my life and having a quiet birthday. I wish to appeal to those who would like to send a birthday card, cakes, flowers, greetings in the newspapers, or gifts. Should please send the funds to the designated account for a special project close to my heart, among many others. The completion of the National Library. This would be the best birthday present I could receive. My love for education has informed my decision to dedicate my birthday to this worthy cause. This fund is coordinated by the Federal Ministry of Education under Oluremi at 65 Education Fund, Zenith Bank PLC. Account number is 131-031-4977. Thank you for joining me in this building project. God bless you.
And sometimes I honestly ask myself, will Nigeria ever get better? Because beyond the corruption and the endless political drama, every day online, you just see new proof that this country is not close to liberation. One moment it's tribal fight, the next one it's religious tension. And while we are busy dragging each other, the politicians are somewhere else causing even more havoc. Speaking of dragging, I stumbled upon a post on X by someone who was not so happy with Igbos in the Netherlands. Apparently, at an Igbo cultural festival in Amsterdam, they wore this Etibo. I don't know what they call it per se, but I just know it's called Etibo and George rappers. And the man claimed, saying, that's Ijaw attire, not Igbo. But here's the thing, is that really true? Personally, I know Etibo and that dressing style are common across different places. The Eda local government in Ebonyi State, the Abia, Cross River, Rivers, Akwa Ibom, Bayelsa, Delta, it's not just exclusive to one group. And let's be real, most of these clothes came through colonial influence anyway. They were not indigenous in the first place. So when someone starts dragging who owns what attire, I cannot help but laugh, because what exactly is Ijaw attire here? Is it the cap? Is it the George wrapper? The walking stick? The white Etibo top? The studs? Which one of these strips you of your culture or identity? Honestly, people waste energy on frivolous issues instead of facing the real problems in this country. You should be glad your attire is being promoted abroad and gaining more cultural value if truly this attire belongs to the Ijaws. Anyway, moving forward, have you ever met people who pretend like they are just looking for directions, only to lure victims and steal their phones, jewelry, or even money? Yeah, that scam is still very much alive in the country and it's happening around us on a daily, especially if you're in Nigeria. If you've never seen how it works, watch till the end of this video because it will be showing you their exact strategy, and please share this with others so more people can avoid falling victim. Because at the end of the day, while we're arguing over tribal attire, the real threats are out there waiting for us. They're already moving.
I am SP Dafebrat and this is Delta State Police Command. We are presently at Ekpa police station here in Urie, local government area of Delta State. We've been hearing of this syndicate that usually act in the guise of looking for direction and eventually manages to hypnotize their victims, lure them, collect their cards, collect their money, collect their phones, even their jewelries. Today, it is no longer fairy tale because today we have about 5 suspects, maybe 7 suspects who are very good at that, but the hands of the law has finally caught up with them. What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Ibukoko.
Ibukoko.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, just sharply tell us how they do this thing.
That the business so na 419 business we must dey in 3 in number.
What do they call those 3 people again?
We get Kashama, we get Jejeti, then we get Sitama.
Okay.
Then the Kashama go answer the person, the stranger for road go answer say in dey look for so person. Then go he can call any kind of name. Then the stranger go call tell us say he no know the person. Then the Jejeti man go dey do like saying they waka the pass like say he no know anybody. Then I go tell the Kashama go tell the stranger say make he help am ask the person when they pass whether I go know the direction. Then they'll call am take. Then as they call am take, he go call ask them say wetin una dey find. Then he go call talk say we dey look for so person. Say wetin make una dey find. I go call talk say okay we carry this diamond stone we wan sell am to so man. He go call talk say okay this man wey be say you dey talk about so I know am o. If our two stand for you now carry go meet the man, how much are you going to give us? If na greedy person you go say boku dey go.
Get that part of his statement. If na greedy person you go the person go follow una. If na be greedy person so any person wey no dey greedy wey no follow una no fit do anything. Na the one wey follow una. Okay, now go straight to the end point now. At what point una dey convince these people now to do all these things wey dem dey collect their money?
Na the point of when be say we don put the spirit for their hand, when be say they don see am to confirm say the bad business wey they take lie as they dey gather the corn dey their body, na that place now we take dey collect.
How much you don collect so far?
It's going to 2.5 million now.
How many people una don do this thing?
The amount is going to 6 to 7, sir.
Okay, no wahala, thank you.
Yes, sir.
You, what be your name?
Tega Isoko.
This una gang, how many una be total?
Numerous members. There are some people in other states.
Una get network?
Like I don't know so many, but
how many you know?
Close to 7 of them.
7?
7, yeah.
But which other state they dey like this?
I guess some Igbo speaking side and those states.
Okay, like you, how many? This guy is part of you, abi?
Yes, sir.
Una be friends?
Yes, sir.
How long have you guys known?
Just less than 4 years.
You are from where?
I'm from Udu.
Udu, you are from where?
I'm from Ethiopia.
Ethiopia is all in Delta State, yes. Okay, no wahala. How much you don collect from people like this so far?
2.7 million.
About 2.7 million. How many victims so far?
The victim is 5.
Okay, thank you. So we have with us 3 of the victims, but for want of time, we will not be able to interview all of them. My brother, what be your name?
Kume.
These people, how they approach you the first day you saw them?
Yeah, I dey go meet my mom. So now one of them take approach me.
He ask you wetin?
Yeah, now I ask me say they lost, say they find the way come from Benin City. Okay. Say no around there, but you try to ask people around there, they discharge and like won't beg them money. Okay. So I call just feel pity for the guy. Now I come answer say, okay, who you dey look for? Because say they look for shift, come one shift name. Say I don't know such person.
Okay, so, you know, sorry, you know say na the second time we dey interview you.
Yes,
I don't want make you talk too much. You know say they don already do their story, so it's clear. So now, when then after you don't manage enter motor with them, where do they carry you to? And at what point when you lose yourself, when they begin collect your phone and your money?
Once you don't enter motor like this, you know the feeling keep track of what they do.
So how much you lose from them?
2.5 million.
2.5 million. What of your phones?
2 phones.
How many phones?
2 phones.
The phones are worth how much?
The phones, one of them is worth 1.6, then the other one is 450,000.
And 2.5.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. We have another victim. What's your name?
So Daniel.
Daniel. Okay, you know, now see the same thing.
Yes.
Now so they do you the same thing.
Yes.
Okay, so what did they collect for your hand?
My lady's bike, brown new, my gold Coban of 5.1 million and another one of 2.8. My golden earrings, 3.4 grams of, let me say 600 and something thousand. And then my iPhone 16 Plus.
Now, what did they tell you when you lose yourself, when you begin give them all these things?
This very guy named Tega, he was like, he knew me when tax force was harassing me at the roadside. So as he was driving by, he stopped.
No, no worry. We know their modus operandi. Not be the entire story I want. At what point you begin give them these things? Now, what I just want you to do.
They told me to drive them to where they will see the buyer of what they will see in the app. Goldstone, Thunderstone, all this stuff.
Okay.
So I told them that, okay, this guy that is having it, he shouldn't climb my bike because I don't know what he's having. Maybe if police go for himself, I can't claim it. So he should climb another bike, he should use Okada. So I'll carry this other one that isn't having it. We drove. When we met this brown motor, so he now told me to stop. This the guy.
What did they do you? Did they touch you, or did they tell you anything wey make you begin give them those things?
The one that was having this brown motor, he touched me. That's where he sees my movement.
That is what I want. Okay, when he touched you, you lost control.
Lost control.
So as at the time you were giving them those things, you don't know. Now after you don't give them finish, now your eye open.
I discovered myself playing in a main road. Like,
how did they get where was the lady bike when they see you? Were you on the lady bike?
I was on the lady's bike, but I don't even know how I came down, entered the motor.
So they come back, carry the lady's bike.
Yes, they drive me go far, road drop far.
So how many of them here you recognize?
All of them.
All of them?
Yeah.
Okay, madam, you two, how many of them you recognize?
2.
You recognize 2 of them. What did they carry from your hand?
Ladies bike and phone.
How many phones?
1 phone.
How much is the phone?
30,000.
30,000. And your lady bike?
1 phone.
You call?
Ladies bike.
Ladies bike. Now they carry from you.
Yes,
carry your phone too.
No, only ladies bike.
Okay, we have so many suspects that I can't even know where to start from if we were to interview all of them. Rather, so many victims and about 7 suspects. So we all should be careful because there are these people out there trying to do all these things. You don't have to follow them anywhere. Don't allow them to touch you. If somebody asks you for direction, I'm not saying don't be a nice and concerned Nigeria. Give them direction and let them go. Don't let them come to you. Don't let them touch you. On no account should you enter their car for any reason. Thank you.